In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange the order of products in your Wix e-commerce store. Whether you're looking to highlight new arrivals or organize your inventory for better customer navigation, this quick tutorial will show you how to do just that in a few simple steps. Let's start by logging into your Wix account and making sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar, where you will find various options that allow you to manage your site. We'll begin by clicking on the catalog option. This will take you to the area where all your products and categories are organized. Here, you can see everything that's currently in stock and manage each item individually. After you've accessed the catalog section, the next step is to look for categories. Clicking here will display all the product categories you've set up in your store. Categories are an excellent way to manage your products, especially if you have a large inventory. They help in organizing items in groups, making it easy for your customers to find what they're looking for. Once you've clicked on categories, you should see an option labeled All Products. By selecting All Products, you'll gain an overview of everything you have listed in your store. This page is where you can easily manage the order of each item. To rearrange a product, simply click on it and drag it to the desired position in your list. The interface is intuitive, and you'll see a highlighted line indicating where the product will be placed once you release the mouse button. After you've achieved the desired arrangement, don't forget to click Save. This final step is crucial as it finalizes the changes you've made to your product order. Without saving, any adjustments you made will be lost when you navigate away from the page. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to rearrange the order of your products in your Wix e-commerce store. Rearranging your products can significantly impact how your store feels to customers, making it easier for them to find what they're looking for, which in turn could lead to more sales. Remember to periodically reassess how your products are ordered, especially when adding new items or during seasonal promotions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in managing your Wix store more effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your online store experience. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!